Well, dudes, car blew up. Was doing a pull in fourth gear. In fourth gear, let go. So, that looks like we're going to be putting the motor build off for a little while. And go into phase 3 immediately. Just got this in today. Gotta look over everything. And make sure everything's cool. But I was looking online, looking at a bunch of sites, and then I got a few tips from some friends of mine and said, hey man, you need to go check out Fast Tuner Parts. And Go Fast Tuner Parts, that's what it is. So, and anyway, ended up connecting with Tyler, getting a hold of him, and just called him on the phone and said, hey man, blew up my 2015 WRX transmission. What do you got in stock? And this is what we got here. This is what came today. Definitely wasn't expecting this so soon, but I guess I had it coming to me.
Running all that horsepower
from the Pro Tune. So now we're definitely going to be taking a break from power mods. So here it is. Anyway, guys, this is a 2018 transmission. It's supposed to have 8,000 miles on it, and everything's supposed to be good. So cool part about it is I've got the hubs. So if any of you guys are familiar with the channel, I did do the CVT swap Brimbos and ended up drilling out the knuckle holes and making them bigger for my car, which ever since I've done that, I regretted, and now I have the opportunity to correct that. So I went ahead and bought the full transmission swap, and most likely be swapping over these front knuckles. Probably leave the rear. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how easy that is to do. Since they've already got the bash guards that are for the 18 plus STIs, those might be going in as well. We'll see about that. But oh man, this is cool, just totally unexpected. And as far as I'm aware, I don't know of anybody fitting an 18 transmission to a 15 WRX. Not saying it hasn't been done, and I'm not saying it will fit. So this all is going to be trial and error, and hopefully it doesn't end up going bad and for some reason the transmission doesn't fit, or we'll just have problems. But this is where we're going with the car, and we're skipping over the motor build. Some of you guys already guessed it was going to be built over winter. I don't think that's really too much of a stretch to guess, but this is going to be phase 3 down the road, but phase 3 is here right now, so this is what we got to deal with. But already got some other parts. I've been talking to Nick over at New Provisions Racing, and we got a few things in the work. So it's pretty much the thought process is, let's get the transmission and let's do everything for the transmission that we can right now while it's out of the car. Well, most everything. I wouldn't say it's completely everything, but it's going to be a lot of things that I wanted to do with the transmission when I got to that point. But here it is, and so we're going to work on that. And then he's helping out, putting a list together of things, and I got some buddies coming over, going to help me do the install in the garage. So we'll see how that goes as well, and it could very well end up at Turning Concepts for them to do the work. But we'll see. Everything is just kind of what it is, and yeah, but here it is. 2018 STI transmission, 8,000 miles. And got a little bit of fun in here. So yeah, just a lot of things coming for the car that weren't expected until later. Only issue is with the front. Oh, those are the rotors. Let's see. Okay, rear and rotors. And then this is probably the front setup. So what happened with this car, as all of them that you see on eBay, most all of them are from totaled STIs. So they go ahead, pull everything out. That's good, salvageable. And this one only has, I believe, the passenger side. Fairly sure it's the passenger side. So that's what's in this box. And then I did have to order another front caliper for the driver's side. So we do have Brembos, and we do have the 2018 Plus Brembos. So this will be interesting because I've never even done a clutch replacement. But this one looks good. Doesn't look too bad, I guess. However, we're gonna get a new one of these, and actually I'll just wait to go over the parts video with all that stuff. So yeah, here it is, guys. So that's what that's the direction of the Loud AF 500. We're not going to be shooting for that 500 number right away or more, but this is definitely sealing the deal for me keeping this car. I always thought like I was at the point of, hey, if I really wanted to, I could part out the car for some reason and wait for that FA24 STI supposedly coming. We'll see. But anyway, nope. We're staying with the 15 WRX, and it's just gonna be completely built out. So hope you guys are interested in this process. Be sure to like and subscribe, and wish me luck, because definitely gonna need it. Yeah. All right, guys, have a good one. Peace.